guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about 8 of the best AI stocks to buy in 2024. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter and we talk about everything money from stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe and join the team. Also, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading or trading in the stock market, I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategies, my mindset, and how I've grown accounts from $1,000 all the way up to 10 plus thousands of dollars. So guys, I'll put it down below. We're doing a Black Friday sale for this month only. Yes, I know, it's crazy. Check it out down below, but let's dive into this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so one of the reasons why I love AI is because artificial intelligence is rated to grow at about 37% annually for the next 10 years. So if I can make some money off that, and if I can be invested into some high quality plays and some stocks, I'm gonna be better suited for 2024 so I can make more money. But let's jump into stock number 1. Now stock number 1 doesn't come in as a huge surprise. It's one of the AI leaders. It's Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. The reason why I love this one is we've seen great fundamentals. The stock is up well over 200%. A lot of analysts think that this thing can easily go a lot higher. And with that being said, I just can't beat the increasing revenues, the increasing profit margin, increasing cash on hand. And Nvidia is highly invested into chips, data, software, all that good stuff. So it's a no-brainer play. Now moving on to stock number 2. Stock number 2 for me is ticker symbol AMD. It's another chip manufacturer. Now the reason I love this one is yes, we've seen very solid growth, well over 100% year to date. But on top of that, we've seen increasing fundamentals, increasing revenues, cash on hand, profit margin, all this stuff all the nerds like myself care about. But one of the reasons why I kind of am putting AMD over Nvidia is because we've seen companies like Meta, Microsoft, and a variety of others actually choose AMD chips for their computer parts for them, which is incredible. That's gonna mean more revenue, more cash flow going into AMD, and I'm very excited to see what happens with this one. Now AMD is highly invested into artificial intelligence, chips, data, software, all that good stuff, so it's another no-brainer play. Now stock number 3 for me, before we jump into that, hit that like button and subscribe, do it right now. Alright, stock number 3 for me is ticker symbol GOOGL. It's the one, the only Google. Now, some of the reasons why I love this company in general is because Google has hundreds of billions of dollars in cash. So if they ever go through a hard time, they can easily pull from that cash, invest into the business to grow it larger. On top of that, if they see any threat to their business, they can buy them out, or they can open up that with Google. And what I mean by this is we've seen a huge rise of like a company like ChatGPT. Now Google is making their own. So I definitely think they already have that front runner's advantage. And what I mean by that is people know Google. You know, Google is the largest search engine in the world. So if they can integrate artificial intelligence into that, it's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Now, yes, Google has seen great growth this past year, but it has had a mixed couple of earnings and a mixed couple of fundamentals. Yes, we've seen increasing revenues, but we've seen some missed earnings and a variety of other things. So a lot of people are a little nervous about Google, but I just think looking back in 2 to 5 years, we're gonna be wishing we'd about Google at these prices. All right, stock number 4 is the one, the only Microsoft. Now, we all know Microsoft is highly invested into technology, software, data, all that good stuff, but you may not know Microsoft has invested millions, if not billions of dollars into AI, and they invested into ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been the fastest artificial intelligence site to hit over 100 million active users, which is incredible. It's actually beating social media platforms to hit their first 100 million. It beat Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all those iconic social media sites. ChatGPT has had more users, which is going to mean more revenue for them. Now, like I said, Microsoft has invested so much money into ChatGPT, so it's incredible. We're gonna see a ton of great growth, and we've already seen a good amount of growth, but I just think we've seen increasing revenues, increasing profit margin, all that good stuff, so it's a no-brainer for 2024. All right, moving on to stock number 5. We are over halfway there. Stock number 5 is Palantir. Palantir is a big data and software company. They have a variety of different contracts with the US Army, US Navy, and we've seen a great amount of growth this past year. On top of that, we've seen a ton of great fundamentals. We've seen increasing revenues, cash flow, all that good stuff, so you just can't beat it. You just can't beat it. It's a big data and software company that's highly invested into AI. It's a no-brainer. It's going to be a little more volatile than companies like Microsoft, but it's going to be higher risk, higher reward. All right, moving on to stock number 6. Stock number 6 is Snowflake, ticker symbol SNOW. This one here is another big data and software company that's highly invested into cloud computing. But with that being said, we've seen great revenues. We've also seen great growth out of this stock this past year. A lot of companies use Snowflake for their integration into AI, so it's a great thing to see. On top of that, their profit margin, guys, their profit margin is up 19%. So I definitely think they're doing great things, and I'm very excited to see where this stock goes in the future. Also, it's up 43%, and a lot of analysts are thinking it's gonna go a lot higher. All right, moving on to stock number 7. Stock number 7 for me is Adobe. Now, Adobe is a software company known for like Photoshop, video editing, but you may not know Adobe has invested so much money into AI that you can now use it in Adobe's software like Photoshop, like their video editing. It is absolutely incredible. They call it generative, and what you can do is you can go on Photoshop and you can pretty much do whatever you want. It's incredible. You can type in a little prompt and it will put it on the photo. It's incredible. It's so cool. I use it quite often. But with that being said, this one here has great growth, has great revenue, and I'm very, very excited to see where it goes. And it's just another major AI play for 2024. Moving on to the last and final one. Now, this one here is actually not a stock. This is an ETF, so it's like a pool of different companies. The reason I love investing into ETFs over individual companies is because if you just want to invest into like the general sector, this is a great way to do it because it has most of the stocks that we covered, and it already had great growth this past year. It's ticker symbol AIQ. This is a AI and robotics ETF. We have companies like Intel, Adobe, Amazon, Google, Meta, and a variety of other fantastic ones. So imagine investing into all of those. It's going to cost you thousands of dollars, but you guys can invest into an ETF under like $50, which is incredible. So this one here is a pool of all those fantastic companies, and I'm very, very excited to see where AI goes in 2024. Do you guys think we're gonna see growth, or do you guys think we're gonna see a bear market? Let me know down in the comments. But guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video of the 8 investments that I would recommend for artificial intelligence. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course and hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.